Had an issue with a DoorDash order and need a refund? Getting a refund for incorrect, missing, or unsatisfactory food is important. In this guide, I'll show you how to easily request and get a refund on DoorDash. To request a refund, open the DoorDash app on your smartphone. Navigate to your orders history and find the specific order you had an issue with. Tap on the order to view its details. On the Order Details screen, look for a Help, Support, or Get Help with Order option. You'll then typically be prompted to select the type of issue you encountered, e.g., missing item, incorrect order, late delivery. Provide details about the problem. Finally, DoorDash will review your request. They might offer a partial refund, a full refund, or DoorDash credits depending on the nature of the issue and their policies. You'll usually receive a notification about the resolution within the app or via email. And there you have it. Getting a refund on DoorDash is a straightforward process. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.